The U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is a federal law enforcement agency under the U.S. Department of Homeland Security. ICE's stated mission is to protect the United States from the cross-border crime and illegal immigration that threaten national security and public safety. This mission is executed through the enforcement of more than 400 federal statutes and focuses on immigration enforcement, preventing terrorism and combating the illegal movement of people and goods. ICE has two primary components: Homeland Security investigations and enforcement and removal operations. ICE maintains attachés at major U.S. diplomatic missions overseas. ICE does not patrol American borders. Rather, that role is performed by the United States Border Patrol, a unit of U.S. Customs and Border Protection, which is a sister agency of ICE. The acting director is Tay Johnson. The agency has not had a Senate-confirmed director since Sarah Saldana stepped down on January 20, 2017. The agency has been subject of criticism and several controversies, including allegations of sexual abuse, torture and wrongful arrest of U.S. citizens. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement was formed under the Homeland Security Act of 2002, following the events of September 11, 2001. With the establishment of the Department of Homeland Security, the functions and jurisdictions of several border and revenue enforcement agencies were combined and consolidated into U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. Consequently, ICE is the largest investigative arm of the Department of Homeland Security and the second largest contributor to the FBI's Joint Terrorism Task Force. The agencies that were either moved entirely or merged in part into ICE included the Criminal Investigative and Intelligence Resources of the United States Customs Service, the Criminal Investigative, Detention and Deportation Resources of the Immigration and Naturalization Service, and the Federal Protective Service. The Federal Protective Service was later transferred from ICE to the National Protection and Programs Directorate effective October 28, 2009. In 2003, Asa Hutchinson moved the Federal Air Marshal Service from the Transportation Security Administration to ICE, but Michael Chetoff moved them back to the TSA in 2005. In April 2006, ICE's Cybercrimes Center, Child Exploitation Section, initiated an investigation into criminal organizations that distributed child pornography. The project, dubbed Operation Flicker, found that there were a number of government employees, including dozens of Pentagon staff and contractors with high-level security clearance, who had downloaded child pornography. Between 2009 and 2016, the Barack Obama administration oversaw the deporting of a record 2.4 million immigrants, earning him the nickname Deporter-in-Chief by Janet Murguia, the president of National Council of La Raza. According to ICE data, about 40% of those deported by ICE in 2015 had no criminal conviction, while a majority of those convicted were guilty of minor charges. However, this statistic is misleading, as the way in how deportations were counted was changed under the Bush administration and continued under the Obama administration. Before, people caught crossing the southern border were simply bussed back and were not counted as deportations. However, with the change, these people were fingerprinted and added to the deportation tally, giving the Obama administration a record number of deportations. U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is responsible for identifying and eliminating border, economic, transportation, and infrastructure security vulnerabilities. There is an estimate of about 20,000 ICE employees in approximately 400 offices within the United States and 53 countries. The organization is composed of 2 law enforcement directorates and several support divisions, each headed by a director who reports to an executive associate director. The divisions of ICE provide investigation, interdiction and security services to the public and other law enforcement partners in the federal and local sectors. The director of ICE is appointed at the sub-cabinet level by the President of the United States, confirmed by the U.S. Senate, and reports directly to the Secretary of Homeland Security. HSI consists of more than 10,300 employees who are assigned to over 210 cities throughout the US and 80 international officers in 53 countries across the world. Over 7,100 special agents are included among the over 10,300 HSI employees. HSI special agents investigate violations of more than 400 US laws that threaten the national security of the United States, such as counterproliferation, counterterrorism, human smuggling and trafficking, weapons smuggling and export enforcement, narcotics smuggling and trafficking, document and benefit fraud, the manufacturing, sale, and use of counterfeit immigration and identity documents, human rights violations, transnational gang act,